Why mobile antivirus apps matter.
Mobile devices face growing security risks. From malware to phishing, threats can compromise your personal data, financial information, and privacy. Antivirus apps help protect your phone by scanning for threats, blocking malicious links, and offering features like anti-theft protection. Using a reliable antivirus app is a key step to keep your device and information safe from digital dangers.
Top free antivirus apps for mobile.
Several free antivirus apps are highly rated for mobile use. Popular choices include Avast Mobile Security, Bitdefender Antivirus Free, and AVG Antivirus. Each of these apps offers essential protection features such as malware detection, real-time scanning, and basic privacy safeguards. Always download these apps from the official App Store to ensure you get the legitimate version.
How to download and install safely.
To download a free antivirus app safely, open your device's App Store, search the app by name, and check the publisher for authenticity. Once verified, tap Install and follow on-screen prompts. Pay attention to requested permissions, granting only those needed for security scanning. Avoid downloading apps from third-party websites, as these can carry hidden malware.
Setting up your antivirus app.
After installation, open the antivirus app and complete the setup. This usually includes granting required permissions and running an initial scan. Explore the app's dashboard to activate features like real-time protection or anti-theft tools. Some apps may prompt optional registration for cloud-based security or remote device management, but core protection functions are typically free and ready to use.
Safe usage and best practices.
Keep your antivirus app updated for maximum protection. Perform regular scans, especially after installing new apps or files. Be cautious with links in texts or emails, as many threats bypass antivirus by exploiting user trust. Lastly, combine antivirus with safe browsing habits. Avoid suspicious downloads. Update your operating system, and use secure passwords to further safeguard your device.